Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you another gorgeous Mulberry Bayswater in this kind of dusty pink colour. So let's have a look. This one has the two top grab handles. On the handles, attached to that handle, it got the Mulberry cloche with the little Mulberry padlock there. And then we've got that classic Mulberry postman's lock. So we'll just open it up and I'll show you the inside. So inside, on this side here, you can see the flap out of the way. It's got two internal buckles, and that just means you can adjust these side gussets here and here. On the back, we've got a zip flap pocket on the back, and I'll just show you the zip. So, still works very easily. And then we've got two flat slip pockets there as well. And I'll just get this bit out so I can show you the Mulberry badge and then the Mulberry tag, which has got the serial number on the back as well. So this is a beautiful bag and we love this bag. If you love bags just as much as we do, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and you'll get an alert hopefully every time we bring out a new video with a new bag. So for the condition of this bag, we've called the exterior good. There's just a couple of marks on the handles that I wanted to show you. So just here, don't know how well it will show up on the camera, but just there's a little mark and a little mark on here as well, just there. And then it's just kind of a little bit of creasing at the sides, not quite holding perfect shape, but it still looks great from the outside. Hardware, again, we've called good. This postman's lock on the front still looks great. There's barely any marks, no discoloration on there. Just except for this little fasten, you can see just a mark there with a little bit of discoloration. But the padlock still looks great. Tiny scratches on the bottom, but barely noticeable. And you'll see this bit even still has the plastic covering on it, so that's in great condition. And again, inside, we've called the interior good. Still looks great in there, you can just tell it's a little bit pre-loved. There's a couple of marks just on the base of the inside. But other than that, it still looks great. So this Mulberry is also coming with a Mulberry dust bag, which will show you the logo on the front there. And it's also got a Mulberry care card which outlines all the details about the fabric as well. So for the exact size of this bag, go to our website, which you'll find in the link in the description below. It should hopefully take you directly to this bag. If it doesn't, I'm really sorry, that means it has been sold, but don't fear, because if you love this bag, we get Mulberries in all the time, especially Bayswater, so we can get you on our request list. So send us over an email and let us know that you like this bag. We'll get you on our request list and you'll get an alert as soon as we bring another one into the shop. And that applies to any bag that you would like as well. So as I said, exact measurements on the website, but I'll just show you on me for reference. So I am a size UK 10 and 5'4". So you can have it as a shoulder bag, kind of as an arm bag as well. So, for more information on this bag, again, go to our website, link in the description below should hopefully take you directly to this product. Also on our website, whatever page you're on, scroll right down to the bottom and you should hopefully find the sign up to the newsletter option where you can pop your email address in. And I recommend you do that because if you pop your email address in there, we'll send you over a discount code straight away, which you can use with your first purchase. Also on our website, you'll find the How to Sell With Us page. So if you've got any arm candy that you wanted to sell with us, go onto there and it will outline all the details you need to know about selling your arm candy. So get that arm candy over to us and we'll sell it for you. And that is all I have for you. So we'll see you later with some more arm candy.